we're going to review chapter 4. Okay, so here's the first question. So this chapter is about plate tectonics, so chapter 4, number 1. The jigsaw fit of which two continents provided evidence for the theory of continental drift? So let's see what it is. It's the jigsaw fit of South America and Africa. So Africa looks like this, and South America looks like that. Okay. So now chapter 4, number 2. Blank occurs when plates move apart. So you have plates that are moving apart. What kind of boundary is this? And these are divergent boundaries. Okay. And next question. Chapter 4, number 3. The figure below shows what kind of boundaries. So you see here plates that are, I'll just do it on the side here. You can see the motion is in this direction. So what kind of boundary is this? So it is again a divergent boundary. So divergent boundaries, plates move apart. Okay. And next question. Chapter 4, number 4. Oceanic ridges, so you can see these ridges here. Oceanic ridges occur over which kind of boundary? And oceanic ridges occur over divergent boundaries again. So right there you have a ridge. So you can see the ridge here. And what's happening is that the plates are moving apart there. So next question, chapter 4, number 5. So where are deep ocean trenches found? Over which kind of boundary? So deep ocean trenches are found over subduction zones. And another word for subduction zone is a conversion boundary. Okay, next question, chapter 4, number 6. A transform plate is, so what is a property of a transform plate? Which one of these here represents the property of a transform plate boundary? So let's double check. So transform plate boundary, you have two plates that slide past each other in opposite directions. So this one, it's A. The plates move past each other in opposite directions. Okay. 7. What is the name of this supercontinent? The most recent supercontinent? And, oh, well, this is chapter 4, number 7. So this name of the supercontinent is Pangaea. So this is the continent that was around when the dinosaurs were around. Okay. Chapter 4, number 8. What are some properties of the lithosphere? So the lithosphere is this region here. So what are some properties of the lithosphere? So the lithosphere, because it's near the surface of the Earth, so it's basically next to outer space, so it's going to be very cold. So it's cold, and because it's cold, it's going to be rigid, and instead of bending, it'll break. Okay, next question, chapter 4, number 9. What kind of boundary are you looking at here? And an extra question, so A, the name of the boundary, and B, which plate sinks here and which plate floats. So those are hints. So you're looking at a convergent boundary. And at a convergent boundary, in this case here, is the oceanic plate that sinks, and is the continental plate that floats upwards. So, oceanic plate sinks because it's heavier, and the continental plate floats. So the continental plate floats. Okay, so next one, chapter 4, number 10. How do the rates of convergence and divergence compare? So how do the rates of rock creation at this divergent boundary compare to the rate of rock destruction at this convergent boundary? And the rates are equal. So whatever rock is created at one location gets destroyed eventually at another location. Rates are equal. Okay, chapter 4, number 11. What kind of boundary are you looking at here? In this picture right there, that's the hint. So, let's see what it is. So the plates are moving past each other in opposite directions, so that is again a transform boundary. Alright, so that completes chapter 4.